Welcome to Davi Toons Club. Today, we're drawing one of DC's most iconic superheroes in our cute rubber hose style, Supergirl. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe and leave a like. It really helps the channel grow and allows us to keep creating fun drawing tutorials almost every day. Grab your pencils, get comfy, and let's get started. And remember, if any step feels a little tricky, just pause the video anytime.
Take your time, and we'll continue together. Let's begin with Supergirl's big, expressive eyes. Large eyes are one of the cutest features of our rubber hose style. Now let's add those long, elegant eyelashes to make her expression even sweeter. Supergirl first appeared in Action Comics number 252 back in 1959. Her Kryptonian name is Kara Zor-El, and she's Superman's cousin. Let's draw her tiny little nose. Later, we'll color it pink, one of our favorite little touches in this cartoon style. Time for her smile. Draw a wide grin showing the teeth, then shape the lips like a cute little heart. Draw two soft, curved eyebrows sitting comfortably above the eyes. Now round out both cheeks to give her face that adorable, soft cartoon look. Let's build her hairstyle by drawing the large, rounded top and the flowing, curved locks falling gracefully to both sides. Many stories explain that Kara actually left Krypton before its destruction, but reached Earth much later. Add that little curl on her forehead. It even looks a bit like the letter S. Perfect for Supergirl. She's already looking absolutely adorable.
I did it all, I played pretend, I moved the mountains to be your friend. I wanna know if it mattered. I would have gone to war for you.
If you're enjoying this tutorial, don't forget to leave a like and share it with your friends. And if you'd like to see many more characters reimagined in our adorable rubber hose style, click the card above and explore the full playlist. I'd also love to hear your suggestions. Which character should we draw next? Now, let's move on to the body. Draw the main body shape, starting slim near the shoulders and widening toward the hips, almost like a teardrop. Like Superman, Supergirl gains her incredible powers from Earth's yellow sun. Let's add her classic yellow belt around the waist. Now draw the skirt flowing through the air. Those sweeping curves make the pose feel full of motion. Underneath the skirt, draw the little white shorts inspired by classic Minnie Mouse cartoons. Actually, many elements of our rubber hose style are inspired by legendary characters like Minnie Mouse and the wonderful cartoons of the 1930s. Let's draw the left arm bent inward, preparing for the little hand resting on her hip. Now add that tiny left hand sitting confidently on her waist. Our gloves stay nice and round, just like the classic rubber hose cartoons we all love. Now finish the right arm and hand. They're also resting on her hip, partially hidden behind the body and the flowing skirt. In some comic storylines, Supergirl became a member of the famous Legion of Superheroes. Now, let's draw Supergirl's iconic chest emblem. Start with the classic shield shape, then carefully add the famous S inside it using smooth, simple curves. Don't worry about making it absolutely perfect. This symbol is instantly recognizable and will look fantastic once we add the colors. The famous S on her chest represents the House of El, Superman's Kryptonian family. Look at her. She's so cute that she looks completely ready to visit Inkwell Isle and join Cuphead on some amazing adventures. Supergirl possesses amazing abilities, including flight, super strength, heat vision, and freeze breath. Now draw both rubber hose legs. One knee bends backward, lifting the left foot into a playful pose. Let's draw the rounded left shoe. Instead of Supergirl's traditional boots, we're giving her these cute little shoes as a tribute to Minnie Mouse. Supergirl has appeared in countless animated series, television shows, movies, and video games throughout the years. Now, finish the right foot, balancing gracefully on the tip of the shoe.
For coloring, use bright yellow for the hair, blue for the costume, vivid red for the cape and skirt, white for the shorts and gloves, and soft peach for the skin. Feel free to experiment with your own favorite colors too. There's no wrong way to make your Supergirl unique. Finally, let's draw the large cape flowing behind her. No Supergirl would be complete without it. Over the years, Supergirl has worn many costume designs, but the red cape has always remained one of her most recognizable features. Today, Supergirl remains one of DC's most beloved and recognizable superheroes around the world. And here's our adorable Supergirl in our classic rubber hose style. She is fully prepared to save the universe from danger. I hope you had fun and were inspired.
Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video. Bye-bye!